upendo umo wa mwito la musi wake waiti umo wakati wa Andu ana aina ni waweteta mesilite wasiokeli wambe wa kwasya mundu wona wake likwitha mataiisa ukwata mwi wa mwenda wa ukundu wa mathiko aiweta kithito cha Kumantha Mii iya endwa mota cha yulu vindani na baumbeni inde iweta oyunzikayo ita siolekete kwa vanene.
What has been happening is on the first day we had people that were sent from the county government, from the Red Cross. On the first day they did quite a lot, yes, we appreciate, and we were able to recover 4 bodies. However, from that day, 4 of our bodies are still missing, and we've not been able to, to identify, because you'll agree with me it is a double tragedy. We lost people, tragedy number 1. Then again, we don't have bodies even to bury. I mean, that makes it a tragedy number 2.
Va upendo vamwe na Andu Misyi ingi tatu mayenda Silikali kusalamu vya wosese iwanthi ni utonguweni Profesa Kithure Kindiki kutumia utonyo la meni wako mamanthia mia endwa momona kavindani kaki ukiolekangite usini uwa Muuoni na usini wa athi valosi uwa Muuoni witete kiw'u chaw'o.
I believe the national government, they have all the machinery required, including if it is, air rescue facilities. If they were to bring in the Navy, I believe even from the first day, by now we would have gotten our loved ones. So my prayer and my plea and what I'm calling out for the government is, could you just stretch your hand? The families are completely devastated. The whole village, I mean, there's no activity which is going on. Every single day we are spending on the riverbacks, hoping that somebody will come in and tell us they've recovered something. Because the only way we'll bring closure to this is only if we can find the bodies of our loved ones. So I'm calling out, and I'm hoping that somebody will hear our plea and they will come to our rescue.
Andu ana ni kati wa Andu monzala Makueni kiw'u cha usi uwa Muuoni mwini muvitu kavinani kala makila usi utuku kuma kisioni cha Kavuthu kuthimotia mbue kiliobungene cha Kilome kauntini ya Makueni. Valame ya Andu atatu ya kuatikani mithina kautela ya ati ngaliko siethio sia usi uwa Muuoni miyandu angi anaitiela kuema mamithika valayi. Valanzika yone sia Kumantha Mii kundi imwe ya kimbene ya mbaloka rescue team ekwatanete na Silikali ya kaunti ya Makueni. Ya kwatie mwi wa mundu mukomo sini wa athi valausi uwa Muuoni witete kiw'u chaw'o indi tina wa kuthia mwi u. Andu Misyi na mawetieti wa mwendo wo miyandu ana itiela kwitha itesikie valayi. Ndilivotia Mutongo TV kuma usini wa Muuoni kisioni cha Kavuthu kiliobungene cha Kilome kauntini ya Makueni. Nyenito wa Ken Mulinga.